another joyride session in a
2017 Chevrolet Trailblazer.
Welcome back, Drivaholics. So ito naman tayo sa isang joyride session in a
We are in a 2017 Chevrolet Trailblazer LTX.
LTX.
Yes.
Ilang liter tong engine ito, sir?
We are in a 2.8 liter inline 4 engine.
So, complete description pa ng engine na to is Duramax 2.8 liter diesel inline 4 DOHC 16 valve common rail direct injection variable geometric turbocharger intercooled.
Haba pala nito, no?
Eh, ikli ka eh. Kamusta ride, sir? Kamusta
Okay,
pagiging driver dyan?
Very smooth. Actually, first impressions when you drive this thing, kala mo mabigat, di ba? Siyempre SUV, knowing it's a Trailblazer. Same size nito mga Fortuner, Montero Sport. But then the moment you feel it, the moment you feel the ride, actually very light, very, alam mo yun, easy to drive lang. Wala ka masyadong iniintindi. The steering wheel, electrically assisted, very light. Di ka
diesel, di ba? Diesel.
Diesel. Although alam natin mga diesel medyo maalog, di ba? Pero not bad on this car.
And this is a more practical car, choice, kasi
Yes.
4x2.
Yes.
So di mo naman kailangan ng 4x4 dito sa
Yeah. If you have no plans naman to go off-roading, at kung city driving lang naman, I think pwede na yung pwede na 4x2, no?
4x2, pwede.
So sir, anong suspension nito?
Base sa specs niya, sa sheet, siya, sa front is an independent double wishbone with coil spring and gas shock absorbers. Tapos yung sa rear naman is 5-link coil spring, gas shock absorbers. The usual SUV.
Usual SUV specs, no? And as far as I know, all four wheels are naka-disc brake na, no?
Disc brake, yep. Front and back.
Wala nang drum brakes dito. So braking power should be good.
So medyo malapad pala wheel size nito. Tire size pala 265.
265. Okay. Pretty wide na rin.
Enough na yun for traction.
Yep.
Then again, this is not a sports car.
Yes.
Watch out yung release naming Camaro.
Yep. Stay tuned for more videos.
Subscribe naman kayo, guys.
Yeah. And guys, na-notice pala namin, more than half of our watchers are non-subscribers.
Subscribe
Diba?
kayo, guys.
So subscribe.
Just to help out the channel.
Yes, it will really help us a lot and we really appreciate it.
So this is a big SUV. So, I mean, not really big. Typical SUV size, 7-seater. So, ang ano niya, seating configuration, sa harap 2,
Yep.
sa gitna 3, then sa likod 2. So, 2-3-2 configuration.
Yes. And the space is actually wide enough. There's a lot of space, hindi mo feel na masikip. Okay naman.
Marami kayong malalagay.
Yep.
Mas, ito yung practical car for Manila.
Try natin mag-accelerate.
Lakas din. Pero bitin. Because of that traffic.
Yep. Sir, so ilang horsepower pala to?
This has 200 horsepower at 3,800 RPM. So when it comes to torque, Lakas din. 500 Newton meter at 2,000 RPM.
Oh, lakas din ah.
Lakas. For an SUV.
And actually, ramdam mo talaga. Hindi lang natin magawa kasi medyo traffic. Pero pag hinata mo, ramdam mo rin.
But then again, it's not a sports car.
Yes, but then again.
It's a sports utility vehicle.
Yes. But for those seeking a little bit of fun kahit naka-SUV kayo, I think this is more than enough to provide that fun, no?
Yes, agree.
Lalo na pag long drive, pag magbabagyo kayo, Tagaytay, di ba? Pwede na.
For me, this is worth the buck, worth every peso.
Yes. Sir, ilan yung tank capacity nito?
Laki din. 76 liters.
Wow, laki nga.
Laki. Tapos, pagitin ko lang, humihila dito ah.
Yep.
May maximum towing capacity to ng 3,000 kilograms.
Wow. So that's what that torque is for, yung 500 Newton meters.
Yes.
That's where the torque will come in. Ito, try natin.
Gagi lakas.
Bilis.
Bilis. Bilis talaga.
So may towing capacity nga to. Feel mo yung torque eh. And the best part, the best of both worlds, mabilis na nga to, matipid pa sa gas. Sobrang tipid. Yep.
Gagi bilis ah.
Oh? Naramdaman mo?
I mean, alam ko may power pa eh. Tayong engine no?
Duramax. 2.8 na eh.